Welcome back to the McCall's Baking Channel. Today we will be showing you how to use our candy and chocolate color dyes to get the bright shade you're looking for. Our colorings are oil-based, so they blend together perfectly into your chocolate without breaking or causing the chocolate to seize. Let's get started! We will begin with McCall's white chocolate candy melts and yellow chocolate candy coloring. We'll be using a heart-shaped chocolate mold today to demonstrate. Melt about 75 grams of the white chocolate and then add 3 drops of the yellow candy color. Stir well to get every drop of color mixed into the chocolate. Once mixed, scoop the dyed chocolate into the mold. Next, we will use orange oil-based candy color to make a vibrant orange. 3 drops of coloring is perfect for 75 grams of white chocolate. Scoop the chocolate into the mold of your choice while the chocolate is still perfectly melted and smooth. To make a brilliant green chocolate, use 4 drops of green chocolate candy color to dye 75 grams of melted white chocolate candy melt. Black can be tricky to make as it's such a deep color. For 75 grams of white chocolate, you will need about 30 drops of black oil-based chocolate food coloring. Add a few drops at a time, mixing after each addition to make the black as dark as you'd like and also to ensure that all the color is evenly blended. You can make a lovely shade of blue chocolate by using just 3 drops of blue candy coloring. What a perfect color for baby shower chocolate! Red is another color you'll need a little bit more of the dye to create. We used 15 drops of red oil-based candy and chocolate coloring to dye 75 grams of white chocolate candy melt. Create a pretty shade of pink candy using just 2 drops of pink candy coloring. Wouldn't these hearts be perfect for Valentine's Day? Purple can be made using 6 drops of violet candy coloring and 75 grams of melted white chocolate. How vivid are those colors? Using McCall's oil-based chocolate and candy coloring is the best way to dye chocolate and candy melts, giving you the bright colors that you're looking for. We have so many more amazing products at McCalls.ca that will make baking and candy making easy and fun. We also have lots of how-to videos on the McCall's YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and tag us at Love McCalls anytime you make something great. We'll see you next time!